The other story we're tracking around in India today, a famous school in Chennai is now facing serious charges of harassment. Several students from the popular Padma Sheshadri Bal Bhavan have raised an allegation against their teacher of inappropriate behavior. Students have alleged that the said teacher attended online classes wearing a towel and that he sent very cute messages to a few students, commenting on their display pictures and sending them inappropriate messages. Several students took to social media alleging that no action was taken against this teacher despite complaining to the management. Now DMK MP Kanimozhi, she's taken cognizance of the matter. She said that a probe must be initiated and proper action must be taken against those who are involved, not just in not taking action, but also school authorities for failing to act against the teacher despite repeated complaints being made. DMK Chennai South MP Kanimozhi and Thang Pandian also called the allegations horrifying and grave and said the perpetrators must be held accountable and that strict legal action needs to be taken against the teacher. India Today's Pramod Madhav now joins me for more on this story. Pramod, when students complained to the management, why was no action taken against the teacher? Was the teacher counseled, reprimanded? Was action of any sort taken or no?
Well, Gaurav, these are like seriously horrific and horrendous allegations that have been brought against PSBB school, and the ones who have brought it is actually the alumni students who have written two-page letter on which they have completely detailed out what exactly has happened. They have taken accounts from minor students and even they have also carried screenshots of the alleged teacher going ahead and sending such lured sexual innuendo messages to various students, and these have become proofs currently. And what has occurred is that the alumni also in the letter has mentioned that these complaints were raised earlier, but no action was taken so far. We also got information that the said teacher was also part of one such committee which was supposed to address such issues inside the school itself. However, after this, it turned out into a huge issue in the social media, and Kanimozhi, just like you mentioned, along with Tamilsayi Thangapandian, stated like the justice should be served, and they are demanding justice. And not just that, they also wanted to find out if it was a cover-up or not. The police have also involved themselves. A notice has been issued to the school. The said teacher has been suspended and a detailed probe has also been initiated currently.
Pramod, keep tracking that story. I will come back to you for more. For the moment, many thanks. A quick break. On the other side, we will get you the latest on COVIDians who got married mid-air with 100